Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair a OnePlus Buds Pro with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to remember to put them into the case, charge this case and Buds itself at least to 50% by using this USB-C port. The next step, just open this case, use this button, click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking on white. Right now we can release the button. Put this case close to your MacBook and do not close it. Next, you have to simply go for the Bluetooth settings, enable Bluetooth, and go for the Bluetooth preferences. Right now, when they pops on the list, just click connect. As you can see, we are connected. You can also go for the sound settings to check if they automatically switch from internal speaker to your OnePlus Buds Pro, and the same if you want to use the microphone. Sometimes the settings are still on the internal speakers, and even when you connect them you will not hear any sound, so you have to switch manually like that. And as you can see, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.